1, 2, 3, 4.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, welcome back to another review from Roy's Reviews, and today we have a pod review for you. Yes, it's old, but it's newly sent across to me for the purposes of review by the good folks over at V Blood. And it also coincides with reviews that will be coming up for 4 of their juices. I've got the 4 here, almost had the lid on because I've been vaping it. So these 4 V Blood juices will be coming up for review as well very shortly. So what we do is we're going to drop down to the table, take a quick look round this little pod device, and then come back up top again when I'll discuss my thoughts and findings on it. Seize the mo. Okay, so welcome down to the table, and here we have the Smok Nord kit. Picture the Nord in front, 2mm capacity, mesh coils, 2 coils included, and it's a 1100 milliamp battery, and this is full black even. Roy can't read. And nicotine products on there. And this side, get it the right way around for you. We have got the QR codes and the holographic, and you can scratch off code A and code B just to make sure you've got a genuine product. On that side there's nothing. On this side you've got manufacturer Shenzhen vape technology, and then on the back you've got your nicotine warning and Nord kit with the contents on there and all your normal warnings on there. So then we open up the device, you get your usual manual, which looks very thick, but it's because it's in 6 million different languages. And you get the little card just to let you know how to check that everything is correct. It's your warranty card and how to use the QR codes. And here you have the device itself, so take that out, and you have got a dinky little USB charger, which is USB-A on that side and micro USB on that side, and just nice little holder to keep the both ends together, but it is really short. And then you have your 2 coils. Which are mesh coils. Go. And so that's the 0.6 Nord mesh. You can't really see down in there, but it is mesh. So that's the 0.6. And your second coil you get in the box, if I can get it out, is this one. Which is your 0.4 ohm mesh Nord coil. Okay, so looking around the device, you've got this nice little angled drip tip, which I actually quite like. It feels very comfortable in the mouse. You have got your viewing portal there to see your e-liquid inside it. Of course, the same on the other side. And you then have a button, just 5 clicks on, and then you have this nice black with a honeycomb sort of design on it. Smok down there, your USB, micro USB down the bottom, and then on the back you have got Nord and 1100 milliamp battery and your CE and the bin to dispose of it properly. So the pod itself, it's a refillable, reusable pod. Coil goes in the bottom, so you take the coil, and as you can see on the coil you've got flat edges here and here. You need to make sure that they match up to the sides. So it goes in like that, so the line goes straight across. The flat sides go to the either side, there and there. And then you have got a fill port on the side here, which just flips open like that. And let's get some juice to put into this. So what I'm going to use is some V Blood and Grape Menthol, which is a 50-50 juice, 0 mg short fill, 50 ml short fill, but I have nicked this up to make it 3 mg. And to fill it up, all you do is you take the port and pour it in. And as soon as you've it filled, click into place, nice hard click, and in it goes. My hands are covered in juice now, I do apologise. So there you have it. Once you've got it on, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See your light flashes to turn it off, so it's now off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it on. Light flashes 3 times. 1, 2. The battery light indicator comes up. So yellow is, white is when it's fully charged. Then goes down to yellow. Then goes down to blue. And down to red. Just to let you know how far you are. So if you're wanting to check how far your battery is, just click it twice, and there it goes. It comes up with the yellow. So you want it on white if you're heading out for the day. But join me up top when I go through my thoughts. See you up there in a moment. Okay, and welcome back up again. That was a good look round the Smok Nord. Nice vapour coming off this. And as always with Smok coils, start with, for the first couple of few days, you get great flavour off them. But I think they actually last longer now than they did originally whenever Smok coils first came out. So what do I think of this little pod? I absolutely love this drip tip on it, this shape, the indented shape drip tip, which fits just perfectly in your mouth. And for a mouth to lung vape, I am actually really enjoying it. It is nice and small, easy to carry about in your pocket. So all the plus points for a little pod device. I know pods aren't to everybody's liking, but that's my part-time hobby. Going out and taking photographs and that, it's just nice and easy to have in your pocket, pull out and away you go. Now that does bring me to one down point that I have found with this little device, and that is the sensitivity of the button. The button is quite raised, and it is, as you can see, very, very sensitive. So if you are putting it in your pocket, even especially into jeans pockets or into other pockets, make sure you turn the device off. It is 5 clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to turn it off, and then you don't get it. I have found though, if I have it in my front jeans pocket when I'm kneeling down to get pictures, sometimes whatever way I move, I have clicked it 5 times and it's come on my pocket, but you hear it and you bring it out and switch it off again, and then I change pockets. It's only a small downfall, but apart from that, the 1100 milliamp battery does give you enough vaping to get you through a day. Just. If I'm vaping on it quite heavily or quite constant, then you can run it down, but you can charge it in the car using the micro USB-C charge cable. So, not USB-C, micro USB. See, it's a big one. Get it right. What would I give this device? Or who would I think the device is aimed at? Well, as much as it's aimed at newbies, so new people, new to vaping, coming on, it'd be a very good device for that purposes, because it is nice and easy and simple. Plug-in coils, so very, very simple. You can buy them in packs of 5 like that. Mouth to lung, I find it very adequate. I'm not so fussed on it on the direct lung, so I'm using the higher ohm coil, the 0.6 ohm coil or whatever. So 0.4 coil for mouth for direct lung. I'll get it right. Blame the heat. Blame the heat. The 0.4 direct lung coil, I think it goes through the juice a little bit too quick. With it only being a 2 ml capacity tank, you go through it really quickly. But as a mouth to lung device, it's perfect. And even for an experienced vapor, I know that there is newer Nords out, so there's Nord 2, etc. But the size of this is the key. Hold it in my hand, you can almost vanish it. So I would give this device a 9 out of 10, purely and simply because it does exactly what you want it to do. And the one is because of the button. If its button had been down a little bit flatter, then that would probably get that out of the way. But again, massive thank you to V-Blood Aegis for sending me this for across for the purpose of review, along with their 4 juices, which will be coming up for review very shortly, so keep your eyes peeled for that. So just means me to say a big massive thank you to everybody who has watched this video, and if you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, give me a thumbs down. Either way, drop me a comment down below just to let me know. And if you've already subscribed to me, thank you very much, and if you're not already subscribed, hit the wee subscribe button. And it just remains me to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this review. Take care now.
1, 2, 3, 4.